mas mo laom pa, mas mo dukot pa, mas mo ana pa jud ang imuhang foundation to why we women should really start voicing out our concern, our unhappiness, our anger, everything. Kailangan mapagawas na nato, kailangan masyagit na nato sa kalibutan ang ato ang frustration. Because for so long, for thousands and thousands and thousands of years, women has always been so oppressed and controlled by men. Okay? So, dirita, focus na lang ta dinhi sa quiet recent nga history, which is also what matters to us Filipino, the most. Okay? Which is the pre-colonial era, which is katong before naabot ang mga Espanyol sa atoang bansa. And then during the Spanish era, which is kanang katong during a time nga sila'y nagpadagan, sila'y naghari-hari, sila'y nisakop, sila'y nagpaantos natong mga Pilipino, natong mga Pilipina sa Pilipinas. Now ladies, lang kay ako daghan nato nga naatay dugong Espanyol. And kasagaran nato, we are so proud to have this blood. We are so proud na natagakanta gamay ani nga dugo sa Espanyol because it makes us look different, diba? Kay of course, during this time man good, we were brainwashed in a way nga looking the pure Filipino, like the Eta, having that beautiful color that we have and having those beautiful black curly hair that we had was ugly.